Okay, hi guys. Today I'm singing Down in the Workshop from Ashby72 again. Well, not really again. Yeah, not again. But, well, technically is again since when I dance, sometimes I like dancing to it my own way, so yeah. My own characters. What I say, and sorry if I stutter a lot. I'm not really that good at singing. Hope I get the tones right, and sorry if I stutter. It's because fast talking isn't really for me. Especially with the singing, even though it's mostly not even just singing, but still. Alright, let's just get into it. And if there's any loud things that I might do, I'll put it in the title. Because, yeah. Let's get to it. Credits to the Wild Guess again, alright? Or Ashby72, whatever it was. Listen, everyone. Listen loud. I already need to restart. I'm sorry, okay? I need to restart again. Listen, everyone. Listen well and listen close. For I've mentioned, I've a plan to escape this workshop once and for all. Workshop? How are we supposed to do that? No, tell you what. We're gonna make an impact. We're gonna get out of here. Down below the surface, down in the deep, we were created using unimaginable feats. Inventory built by someone so long ago, by whom we do not know. New creations aren't allowed to leave. There's always chapters here within himself we see. The light shining from the outside, and we want doubt. We want doubt. And shadows, planes, machines like me, and poison. None of us want to be free. We don't want to be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or it'll all be caught down in the workshop. Don't tell me what's going on about this whole escaping the workshop thing again. I'm gonna the truth, whale. No, you're the one who's blind. Don't you understand? This is the only place we can live. Some of you are blinded by your ideals. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real. Follow this foolish quad on the path he trods. Treat your home as if it's a prison cell. The only place where we can dwell. Don't you see? This is the only place where we can be. Steel and shadows, like me, crystal and poison. This is only where we'll be truly free. Down in the workshop. This all better stop. There's no going to the top, or you'll all be caught down in the workshop. You think you can falter me? Falter the machine, falter the machine. Soon you'll all look up to me. Look to him, look up to him. Down in the workshop, we're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop. In the workshop, machine, culture the machine. way to stop. We look up to him, we go to the top, but we will all be caught down in the workshop. We look up to him, we look up to him, we look up to him. No, that's spotted, that's spotted.